of the secret, or the essence behind the secret, was the law of attraction.
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 There isn't a single thing that you can't do with this knowledge.
So you guys have definitely heard me or someone else talk about the law of attraction before. Perhaps you even watched my first video on it, which I definitely recommend you watch because the video will make more sense if you do, and it just explains everything in general before I really get into this stuff in this video. So really just click down below and you'll understand everything better. Yeah. Some of the most well-known and successful celebrities have credited the law of attraction to have been a huge help in getting them where they are today. If you want the very short and simple version, using the law of attraction will literally get you anything that you want in life, whether that's financial abundance, a dream job, a trip, a best friend, recovery from an illness, literally anything, it's yours. You just have to know how to ask for it. Hey guys, it's Sadie, and today you're going to watch probably one of the most important videos to me on my channel, and one of the most interesting, and something that can literally change your life. And I'm not even exaggerating. Like, you think I'm exaggerating, I'm not. I know that what I'm about to tell you can drastically change your life, and I really hope that you guys stay till the end of this video. I don't know exactly how long it's going to be, but I have it all planned out because I know exactly what I want to say, and I want to say it in the right way so that you guys will understand and you guys can apply the law of attraction in your life. So I previously made a video on what is the law of attraction when I was just getting into it, and I was like, oh, this seems pretty cool, like let me try it out. It worked for me, so I was like, I might as well share this online. And then I started getting more and more obsessed with it and using it more often, using different techniques and seeing what works best for me, and I had a lot of success with it. So I am making a part 2 to that video, kind of like a series now. Okay. This one is going to be all about how to apply law of attraction in your life, because I explained what it was and I explained the benefits of it and like how it works, but I didn't really explain how you can use it in your everyday life. And it's not something that you have to spend hours on every single day. It can literally take as long as you want, actually. So this video is just to show you guys how you can manifest your dream life by using the law of attraction. I'm just gonna give like a tiny little overview just so that if this is the first video of law of attraction that you are watching, I'm just gonna kind of explain it in the simplest terms that I can. The definition is an attractive and magnetic power of the universe that draws similar energies together. Everything in this world is made up of energy, and similar energies are going to attract themselves together. Even we are made up of energy, and that's all you have to know to understand this law. The law of attraction will attract anything that has similar energies together. So this is thoughts, ideas, people, circumstances, opportunities, anything, it will be drawn together. Like that. The law of attraction is as valid as the law of gravity. And the best way that I can explain the law of attraction in one sentence is you get what you think you can have. Some key facts about the law of attraction is that it is always in motion. Even if you don't think you're contributing to the law of attraction, you are. Every thought and action that you have in your life is contributing to the law of attraction, and whether it's positive or negative, you are still contributing. So you magnetically attract things that are vibrating at the same frequency. So everything is made up of atoms, and atoms are always vibrating, and if you're vibrating at a certain level, you're going to attract some other opportunity that's vibrating at the same level. A high frequency would be like positivity, love, compassion, gratefulness. And the law of attraction is actually influenced by your unconscious. So even when you are sleeping, even when you don't know that you're contributing to the law of attraction, you are. There are actually ways that you can change your unconscious thinking so that even when you're not deliberately like doing a law of attraction technique, you are still going to be raising your vibration and attracting positive things. And what you are focusing on, you are more likely to receive. So you get what you focus the most on. The biggest thing here to note is that you're connecting your mind with your heart. So you really have to feel grateful and excited about what is coming to you, or else the universe is not going to manifest it for you. So make sure that you're not just thinking, oh, like I'm gonna get this job and that's pretty cool. Like you have to feel, I'm getting this job, or I got this job. And obviously the more time that you work with the law of attraction, the more you're going to get out of it. You and the universe both have limitless potential, and that's you probably will have to keep reminding yourself. So with that stuff out of the way, I'm gonna start with the techniques, and I'm super excited for these. And let me know down below which one is your favorite after I say all of them. The first one is my personal favorite, and that is creative visualization. And there's two kind of subtopics to this. The first one is multi-sensory visualization. So this is basically you visualizing yourself receiving whatever you desire. So what does it feel like? What do you smell? What do you hear? What do you see? Like, use all of your 5 senses so that it really sends more of a powerful signal to the universe if you are using all 5 senses. And it's also much better to have like a concise but detailed visualization period than a long and like general one where you don't really feel anything and you're not really like putting yourself fully into the situation. So make sure that you're like fully immersed in it and you use all of your senses. The next one is multi-perspective. Instead of imagining that you yourself are receiving this circumstance, you see it from another perspective. And the most popular perspective is third person, so like an outside person watching yourself in the ideal circumstance. This is so hard to explain. So imagine you doing what you want to manifest and how exactly it would look like from an outside perspective. The next technique is called dream boarding, and this is actually one of my favorites too. I can't decide if I like this or visualization best, but you guys have probably heard me talk about this a lot. The point of this is to display pictures and words that encapsulate what you want to manifest. For me, I made this collage on my laptop on Canva and I set it as my lock screen. And you're going to want to put this wherever you're going to see it very often so that it will remind you about your desires and you can feel those like happy emotions that you're already there, you already have everything, and it's going to attract that to you. So basically go online and get a bunch of photos from Pinterest, Instagram, or just anywhere, or some quotes or something that will remind you of your desire. Put them as your lock screen. I have some photos up here on my wall, and whenever you see them, maybe close your eyes for a second and imagine yourself in that dream life. Something to focus on for the law of attraction, this is the third thing, is turning negatives into positives. And the whole thing about law of attraction is that you have to remain hopeful, positive, and grateful. If you don't remain hopeful, positive, and grateful, then you're not really attracting the kind of vibration that you want. Like, you only want like high frequency things. Like, what I mean by that is like positive circumstances, positive opportunities, like positive people. And if you are constantly on a low vibration and you are worrying and you're down on yourself, you're not going to attract the same thing. Something to do about this is to have a gratitude journal, just to make sure that you are keeping track of all the things that you are grateful for. Write down 3 things that you are thankful for and 2 challenges or difficult situations that you have overcome. You can say thank you to the universe for giving you that lesson, and now you've grown and you know that you're stronger and you can get past certain things, and you can still have a high vibration with difficulties in your life, and it will also make you so much happier because you're reminding yourself of what amazing things you have. And it's also amazing because manifestation works in your sleep too. So if you are thinking about all the things that you're grateful for and your vibration is high and you're happy and positive when you go to bed, overnight your unconscious thoughts are going to literally manifest what you want. The 4th thing that you can do is really, really cool, and I think this will actually help a lot of you if you want some like tangible thing to believe in or connect your law of attraction practice to, because I know that this kind of seems like sorcery when I'm saying it out loud and there's no like real physical proof that I can show you of the law of attraction. Obviously there are success stories with like physical things, but just not of the law itself. So something that you can do is connect the law of attraction to an object. And maybe you should connect it to an object that represents your desires, or just reminds you of a positive time, or just reminds you of the law of attraction. Some people will have like a random object and they will take it to a job interview that they really want with them, or they will hold it during their visualizations. And usually this is done with, I will show you these babies. Okay, these I actually use when I'm doing my creative visualization, and this is such an amazing technique. I got these law of attraction stones from LA, and it was this cute little like shop. It was the best thing ever, and I literally love that. So one, I have pink opal, which is like a vibrant, uplifting, joyful stone, and it helps to bring the sweetness and lightness back into life, and it's good in times of stress. The red jasper encourages new ideas and strategies, and also has a cleansing effect and smoothing dysfunctional energies and eliminating negativity. So I have a lot of ones that are just general, keeping me happy. Then I have the picture jasper, which brings comfort and alleviates fear. It also inspires creativity. Maybe this will get me a pretty cool sponsorship. Maybe I'm putting that out into the universe right now. And it's also used for projection on journeys and to clear out air pollution at home and work. So that's pretty fire. Then blue storm can help our inner attunement and deepen our focus. It helps us find our right path and remain on it against all against, whoa, I can't speak, and remain on it against all odds. You can hold on to these, or you can hold on to one of them and then imagine that area of your life and attract it, do the creative visualization, all of that, and then go to the next one. And this will send way more powerful signals to the universe. And it will also, if you see them like on your bedside table or something, it's going to remind you to do creative visualization, even if it's for literally a minute. The next technique is called living as if, and this is a pretty fun one too. You basically just get to live out your dream life as if it's already happening. Start living as if you already have the desire that you want. These actions send very powerful signals to the universe. They raise your vibration, you feel happy and grateful, and it can also trigger more manifestation, because when you're happy and grateful, that's going to sound like a domino effect, and you're just going to keep attracting more things. It's not just like you do the law of attraction, you get what you want, and then you can never do the law of attraction again. You can do it as many times as you want and focus on as many things as you want, but living as if is pretty fun. So just put yourself in your ideal life scenario and live it out. Another thing that I definitely suggest you guys do for law of attraction is positive affirmations and quotes. And there are a lot of these now online. There are so many Instagram accounts and Pinterest accounts that are solely for LOA, and if you affirm to yourself that you already have what you want, it's going to manifest it for you. For example, thank you for making me the first millionaire in my family. You repeat that over and over in your head, and it is going to send a signal to the universe, and they're going to bring that circumstance into your reality. I am thankful for my dream job that I'm going to every day. I'm so grateful that I get paid so well for what I love to do. I'm so happy that I could fit into this dress that I couldn't before. This is one of my favorite law of attraction quotes that honestly keeps inspiring me and keeps me motivated. If you start acting like life is a blessing, it will start to feel like one. And that is so true, because you're going to constantly be putting yourself at a high vibration, and you're going to match up with your ideal circumstance, and you're going to attract it. And the way that I always remind myself to practice the law of attraction techniques is to follow a lot of accounts on Instagram and on Pinterest, just to like remind me of like how positive and grateful and happy I can be. There is an Instagram called Law of Attraction Live, or Law of Attraction Live. I don't know how you say it. It basically posts a vibe of the day, and it'll tell you a bunch of positive quotes, and it'll really inspire you to keep going with your law of attraction practice. It's going to make you excited for what's to come, and that's one of my favorite Instagrams, so that is super inspiring. And also there are so many things on Pinterest that are law of attraction related, and I also have a whole board dedicated to law of attraction, so I will save a bunch of quotes and affirmations to that. And there are so many resources and so many law of attraction YouTubers. Positive affirmations and positive quotes can always help. The last technique takes a little bit more time, but I have read so many, I don't read, but I have listened to so many success stories that have worked by doing this technique, and it's called scripting. So basically you're going to write down everything that you desire as if you already have it and as if it's true. You can basically do what I said, living as if, but on paper, if that makes sense. Literally go on tangents, like write like whatever comes to your mind, whatever emotions you're feeling, just write it down, because when you write down stuff, they're so much more likely to come into your reality. You can write very messily, no one has to read this except you. Like you don't even have to be able to read it after you write it down. You just have to know what you're writing down when you write it. This helps you get clear on what you want, and it helps it happen faster. So definitely try scripting and let me know how it works for you. If you guys want to know a success story of mine, I did mention one in the first law of attraction video that I made, and it was a pretty cool one. I'm kind of still shook by it, but if you guys want to hear my success story, then definitely watch that video. I will link some of my favorite success stories down below, as well as some of my favorite law of attraction YouTubers, or YouTubers that include law of attraction stuff in their content. I would also recommend to watch the movie The Secret, because that has so much information, and it's honestly such a good movie, and it explained it to me. That is how I got into law of attraction. That's like the first thing that I saw of it, and I have been obsessed with it ever since. So The Secret, I think it's on Netflix. You can watch that. And that's gonna be it for this video. I am so excited. I can't wait until this is uploaded. Like, I cannot wait. I can't wait till you guys hear these techniques and try them out. Let me know down below which one of these techniques are your favorite, or which one you're going to try. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.